Feeling like Instagram is stealing your productivity? Let's reclaim your focus by blocking it directly in Chrome on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser. We're going to use a browser extension for this, a super easy way to manage website access. In the address bar, type chrome.com web store and hit enter. Once the Chrome web store loads, search for BlockSite. It's a popular and effective website blocker. Find the BlockSite extension in the search results and click on it. You should see a blue Add to Chrome button. Click that. A pop-up window will appear asking for permission to install the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. Once installed, you'll see the BlockSite icon, a little shield in your Chrome toolbar, usually in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the BlockSite icon. You might need to agree to their terms of service. Then, you'll see a text box. Type Instagram into that box and press enter or click the plus sign. And there you have it. Instagram is now on your BlockSite list. Try typing Instagram into your address bar. BlockSite should now display a notification that the site is blocked. This will prevent you from accessing Instagram directly through Chrome on your PC. Good luck with your focus.